Good morning, everyone. How y'all doing today? Today we're in the kitchen with my youngest daughter, Destiny. Today we're in her cooking class and she's learning how to make tacos. And so we're showing you just a few clips of her making her tacos. Hope y'all enjoy watching. Here she is unboxing her taco shells. Here we have some sour cream and some mild shredded cheddar cheese. Now she is preparing her meat. She is now breaking her ground beef up into small pieces. She have drained her meat and she have added her seasoning packet and some water. Now she's putting her tacos together. She has already added her meat and sour cream. Now she's adding her shredded cheddar cheese. Here she's adding her lettuce. Tx, tomatoes, and now her diced tomatoes. As y'all can see, making tacos is very, very simple. And it also saves you money. It has saved me lots of money since she knows how to make her own. Okay. Now she's all finished. I think she gets an A+ in my book. How about you all? You did a wonderful job, Destiny. Add your favorite taco sauce and you're good to go. Remember, you're always welcome to Miss Brenda Dee Place. Love y'all.